So today we are changing the alternator for this specific car. It's an Audi 2012 Q5, and we will be replacing this alternator right here. So first off, you have to remove your battery. So you have to remove your battery terminal first. This is most important when you're working on the electrical. So this is the battery. It has to be in the back of your car. Okay, this is an Audi Q5 2012. So grab an open wrench. I got a 11 and 16 here, open and close. So what we're gonna do, a trick about this is I'm gonna use this to use the other one as a lever, like this. So okay, and when you're able to reach it, now that you have this leverage, you can use this trick now. And now to your right. So now we're gonna use the 40mm socket now. So you got one more bolt on the back. So we finally take out the alternator. So we're gonna go ahead to the shop and get the new one. So this time I'm just gonna get the refurbished one, just because the brand new of this one is gonna cost me like $400 with the same brand of this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and shop, maybe rebuild this one or buy the refurbished one. Let's go.
Ooh.
car is still running, so I don't see any errors right now. So I think we did a good job today. I don't see any more errors on my dash. Before I see a battery in there and it's telling me that my alternators have faulty and my battery has it's draining and it's not charging. So that's it for today. See ya.